to review the Hotpoint MWH2322B, which is a microwave with a very catchy name. Right, I've been using it for a little while, and I had a little bit of trouble getting to grips with the instructions, but I mostly like it. It's 23 litres, so it's a good size. It heats everything evenly. It's got no, cold spots in there. It's got a child lock, which is handy. But yeah, it looks good. I like the display, and it's easy to clean. Right, so it's got the combination setting, which heats things. You defrost things first, and then it cooks it. So I like that feature. It's got a grill. I haven't used the grill much, but it seems to work okay. It takes a little while to heat up, though. It's got a crisping tray, which is really cool. I've never had a microwave come with one of those before. And there's a fast menu, so when you go into the fast menu, there's a setting for like every type of different food. So you just put in pizza or whatever, and it will cook it automatically for pizza. So yeah, I like it. The only problem I think is it's kind of flimsy. When you push the button to open it, you can't see it right now because I've pushed it against the wall, but if it's forward a little bit, it pushes it backwards. It feels a little too light and not substantial enough. Like if you're holding something else, you've got to push really hard on it. You're probably going to maybe spill it. I know I will. So yeah, that's a little bit annoying. Another thing is that as soon as the door's open, the light's on all the time, even if the door's open for like 3 hours. So if you want to let the condensation out or any strong curry smells or whatever, then the light's going to be on the whole time, which is not very good for the environment. But yeah, I kind of like it. It's a good microwave. Maybe it should be a little bit heavier, sturdier, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm gonna put I've got a mince pie here. Gonna heat it up, have it with some oat cream. So I'm going to put this on 30 seconds using the fast cook 30 seconds. It kind of gives it a blast for 30 seconds. So yeah, you don't need much more than that for mince pie. But yeah, I like it. And it's a reasonably good microwave, and I think it's not like the cheapest out there, and it's not the most expensive out there, but it's good for the price. It's not an absolute bargain, but it's good for the price. So yeah, that's my review really. Thanks for watching.